Aloha. Welcome to the American Meteorological Society's Data Streams Earth Client System. This is an introduction to your real-time climate portal, which you will receive an email for, and to introduction to where to locate various materials for you to answer the questions on a weekly basis. So we'll go ahead and get started by going through the beginning part of this. So we have a link that says current climate studies for the preview week. We have chapter progress response form, that's for the textbook. We have a current climate studies answer form that aligns with the preview week. We also have investigation 1A answer form and an investigation 1B answer form. So first thing, you have this form, and that's for chapter progress. But where do we get the chapter progress? Well, you go into the link that I'll provide you with to the AMS bookstore, where you'll be getting your free textbook. Your textbook will be this data stream climate textbook, and you will click on Read Now. And you'll find chapter 1. Pretty straightforward. And here's chapter 1. You click on chapter 1. And if you go back and look at these questions right here are in order, and they align with the textbook, which is right here. And you can just read through it. You can skim it if you wish. You'll notice at the bottom of the progress questions, there's two questions, say weekly news concept questions. Where do I find those? Well, we'll go back to the portal, and here you have weekly climate news. And you scroll to the bottom of weekly climate news, and you'll notice that it says here, Concept of the Week, Touring the AMS Climate Studies Real-Time Climate Portal. And here's the two questions that you'll answer right here. That'll be available every week. Where do we get the investigations? Here's the investigation 1A. This is very nice. It's got radio buttons. You select your answer and hit print. You can save it and attach it to an email to me. But where do I get the questions that go with these answers? Well, just like the e-textbook, we have a climate manual. You'll go to the Read Now. Once you get to that, you'll notice that it's very similar, except in this case, you actually have the options of, you'll see that the questions are aligned. So I'll go to the next page. Question 1, there's 3 different answers. Question 2, there's 2. 3, there's 2, and so on and so forth. And these will align with these radio buttons right here. So there are 2 sections. There's section 1 and section A and B. B will be the same way. Where do we find the answers to B? We'll go back. You'll see your investigation B right here, and it's the same format. Then each week you'll have current climate studies. This is going to change every week. It's not static like the e-text or the investigation manual. You'll click on it. It's the same format as the investigation manual. There'll be multiple choice and short answer questions. And then if you want, you can actually print this if you wish, or you can go back and forth, but the answers are right here. Very short, 6 questions, same radio buttons, and hit print. So your expectation each week, and you have 2 weeks starting actually yesterday. Your first chapter is due on the 5th of September, and then every week after that on Mondays at 5 p.m. you will be wanting to look at your climate news. That's going to give you the concept of the week. You're going to want to look at your current climate studies. You're going to want to look at your chapter progress. That's the book, textbook. Current climate studies answer form goes with this. Investigation A and B, those go with the investigation manual, which are available through the bookstore. So I'll be sending you that link. I hope that you'll enjoy the class, and I look forward to working with you. Mahalo.